Scene 1. Intro. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are covering Mapletree Industrial Trust, one of Singapore's largest industrial REITs. We'll explore its portfolio, latest financial results, valuation changes, and whether it's a buy, hold, or sell. Scene 2. Overview. Mapletree Industrial Trust, or MIT, is listed on the Singapore Exchange, with a market cap of around 5.8 billion Singapore dollars. It's a mid-cap REIT popular for its consistent dividend payouts and exposure to high-tech and data-driven sectors. Scene 3. Portfolio breakdown. MIT owns 141 properties across Singapore, North America, and Japan. Its assets include a high-tech industrial buildings, a business parks, a flatted factories, and 27 data centers, mainly in North America. Occupancy stands at 91.4% overall, with Japan at 100%, Singapore around 92.6%, and North America at 88%. Scene 4. Latest financials. For the latest quarter ending June 2025, a gross revenue rose 0.3% year-on-year to 175.9 million Singapore dollars, and net property income increased 0.8% to 133.6 million Singapore dollars. But distribution per unit, or DPU, dropped 4.7% year-on-year to 3.27 cents. This drop was mainly due to higher borrowing costs in North America and foreign exchange losses when converting USD rental income to SGD. Scene 5. Valuation and price reaction. MIT's unit price fell slightly after the earnings report, from 2 Singapore dollars and 5 cents to 2 Singapore dollars and 2 cents. It currently trades at a P/B of 1.15 times, meaning investors are still paying a slight premium. A dividend yield of around 6.3%, which is attractive compared to fixed deposits, and a P/E ratio of 17.2 times, considered fair for a stable REIT. Scene 6. Risks and challenges. One concern. Many of MIT's data centers in North America are older generation facilities. Analysts warn that when leases expire, tenants might relocate to newer, hyperscale centers with better efficiency. There's also the risk of needing higher capex to retain existing tenants. But MIT's management is already addressing this. They divested an aging Georgia data center, announced 500+ million Singapore dollars worth of asset sales in Singapore, and reinvested into modern assets in Japan, like the Osaka data center. Scene 7. Buy, hold, or sell. So what's the call? White heavy checkmark if you're a long-term investor seeking income. MIT remains a resilient choice, supported by real rental earnings. Warning sign hash if you're worried about data center risks or rising interest costs. You may prefer to wait for more clarity. Bullseye overall, we rate MIT a hold, with buy-on-dip potential for patient income-focused investors. Scene 8. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research or speak to a licensed financial advisor before investing. Scene 9. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, white heavy checkmark, please like the video so more people can discover it. Pushpin and subscribe to the channel for more REIT and investing content every week. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.